Heaton, Miss Pleash, and your amazing student leadership team. Give them a big wave, boys and girls. We're here today to present some Assembly Awards. We've been looking across the different platforms and we have been so proud of the work that you've been posting on Seesaw, on the work that you've been doing in your live classrooms on Google Classroom and the work that you've been posting on Google Classroom. So I'm going to hand over to our leaders who have got 2 awards per class for the amazing things you have been doing at home this week. Taya.
Hi everyone. The teachers are so proud of your work you have done. Zareen N from K1F gets an award for being an enthusiastic learner on Seesaw. Saeed A receives an award for completing his workbook activities to a high standard.
This week in K1D, the awards go to EDM and EDS for their commitment and dedication to online learning.
In 1-2A, Ollie B gets an award for working very hard on his learning from HomePack. Dustin E gets an award for his fun and positive attitude to learning.
There has been great work happening in 2-3B. Afamaya T receives an award for incredible creative home artwork. Joel A receives an award for completing all activities.
The awards for 3-4T go to 2 students that have gone above and beyond when completing tasks online. The 2 students are Sarah R and Aaliyah J.
In 4-5P this week, Harper receives an award for fantastic engagement in all learning activities. Chloe W receives an award for amazing creativity in her online learning activities.
The awards for 5-6P this week go to Nina F for supporting other students in the Stage 3 Google Classroom. And Jack T also receives an award for problem solving and working out where to post his work.
Thank you, boys and girls. Your teachers are so proud of the work that you're doing, and parents, the teachers are so proud of you too. You're doing an amazing job. We can't wait to see you back at school, hopefully not too far away. Have a wonderful week and thank you for everything that you are doing. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.